Want to dive and save the world? Let's find it in under a minute. First, from your lobby, look up to the Buy Epic, where you'll see Battle Royale, Creative, and more modes. Slide over to the right arrow, that's where all the official game modes live. Here you'll see the different official game modes. You'll choose from Battle Royale modes, Deathmatch, Reload, Lego Fortnite, even Festival, and other PvE modes. Select Save the World. If you already own it, hit play. If not, you'll see a Learn More button. Let's try clicking on this. Click on this to purchase or claim through your Epic Games account. No external site needed. Once that's done, you'll automatically load into the Save the World's lobby. From here, pick your hero, choose a mission, and start building your defense. And that's it. You're all set up to squad up and defend against the husks. Smash that subscribe button for more fast Fortnite tips. See you in the zone.